Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can set up a seller account on Etsy. So let's get right into it. Now, setting up a seller account is relatively very easy. What you're going to need to do is you're going to need to set up an Etsy account just by registering. And of course, once you register your account, you're going to need to go over to your email address and confirm that it is your account. And once you do that, you're pretty much set. Once you have your account, log in, and then you can start setting up your shop. Now, to set up your shop, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go into the shop manager. Click on that, and here you'll need to set up a couple of different things. You're going to need to go and set up your shop preferences. These are the shop language, shop country, and shop currency, which you can all set up. And once you're done with that, you can continue onward to naming your shop. You can name it whatever you want. It needs to be between 4 and 20 characters. There can't be any special characters, spaces, or accented letters. And once you select a name with your shop, which is gonna give you the option to add your first listing. And once you add that, you can add a digital or physical listing. That completely depends on you. And once you add all the information needed, this is just a test listing, which is just a random screenshot I had on my phone. Then you just need to set up your banking information where you'll get paid. You need to share your billing info to cover any costs, and you're going to need to set up your shop security. And once you're done with that, that is pretty much it. You're done with that, and you have your seller account open. That's all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.